Hey Pitmasters, what's up? It's time for another video. We're gonna be making the XXL Bacon Bomb. I saw that the barbecue pit boys made their Bacon Bomb videos already 10 years ago. Can you imagine how fast the time goes? But having the Bacon Bomb online for 10 years and so many versions of it have been created, picked up by big media, it's time to celebrate the 10th birthday of the barbecue Bacon Bomb. I bought 3 kilograms of minced meat. I know, it's a lot, but hey, I don't want to go too small, otherwise the people in Texas won't watch anymore. I also bought some bacon. We're going to turn this into our Bacon Bomb by laying out some foil. I gotta reach under my table because that's where I keep my foil. There we go. Nice big sizes of foil. Whoa, 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 whoa. Morrison, you gotta keep an eye on my foil, man. Oh, Morrison, I told you to watch my foil, man. This time I'm serious, Morrison. You gotta watch my foil. Good boy. Morrison, Denise, come help me with my foil. I think we did it. I think this is enough for our Bacon Bomb. Now let's start laying out some bacon. We want nice thick strips of bacon. Look at that. Beautiful thick bacon. And we need sufficient surface. So this might look like a big strip of bacon, but it's actually not that much. If you think about having to wrap around 3 kilograms of minced meat, you're gonna need a whole lot of bacon. Well, as you can see, there's no more room left. We filled the table up with bacon. I hope so that this 3 kilogram fits inside of this bacon. Only one way to find out. Let's spread our minced meat onto our bacon. Make sure that we spread it out evenly. So once we start rolling this up, it all gets the same size. Now that we got a minced meat set up, it's time to make a barbecue rub. We are going to start with 1 part sugar, followed by half a part of smoked paprika powder, 1/8 part garlic powder, 1/8 part onion powder, 1/4 curry powder, 1/8 part black pepper. Now we'll mix that all up. Of course, before we start sprinkling this on, I want to do a quick taste test. Forgot the salt. I completely forgot the salt. We need to add more salt. I'm going to add fleur de sel. We're going to need half a part of it. Yep, way better. I can clearly taste the curry and the paprika. It's very dominant, but we need it. We need dominant flavors in our minced meat, because otherwise it's just gonna blend out. I wanna make sure I covered the whole lot. For our cheese, we're gonna be using the old world-renowned Port Salut. And since we have such a large Bacon Bomb, we need a lot of cheese. This is 1.2 kilograms of cheese. Now, I'm afraid we're not gonna be able to put all of it in there, but a seriously large portion we will manage. There we go. Let's cut this up. Now let's lay this in the center. Oh, we're gonna need more. You want a bit of cheese, Morrison? You have to try the Port Salut. The final bit. Oh, this totals up to a whole kilogram of cheese in our Bacon Bomb. Let's fold it up. This is where I get in my special assistant. She's really good with everything folding up. At least I hope so. This is gonna be challenging.
That's good.
There's nice cheese, right? It's gonna melt easy. It's gonna be very flavorful. I think this is gonna be a total of around 4.5 kilograms of Bacon Bomb. Look at this madness.
Tell me what to do.
Oh, that was the thing. I was hoping for you to tell me what to do. I was just thinking folding it up and see what happens. Bad idea? We could also fold this up, close it up like that, and then fold it into... Yeah, better idea? You start this side, I start the other side. See if we can make it happen.
So why not season this side?
We can't season the top of this because we have all that bacon with bacon saltiness on top. So if we put more herbs on, it will become too salty. So that's why our salty rub is on the inside. Eva loves it. It's a celebration. Time to fold our bacon over it. Start on one side and switch to the other. Whoa, look at our Bacon Bomb. It's huge. I guess it's almost a meter long. I so hope it fits on our Big Joe. What do you think, Eva? You think it's not gonna fit? First of all, however are we going to get it onto the Big Joe? And then second of all, how are we going to make it fit? Gotta solve that problem. But first, let's fire up our Big Joe. We'll put in some Kamado Joe Big Block. That should do the trick. We'll add a few fire starters. and light them up. Smokes are rolling, our barbecue is up to temperature. Time to put in some smoke wood and start smoking. I got a nice chunk of smoke wood. We'll put in the heat deflectors, set on the grill grates. Denise, please assist me once again.
It looks like an anaconda.
It kind of is, right? If we shape it in like a bit of a curve, maybe we can make it fit. This would work, right?
Perfect.
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 Now all we need to do is take the foil off. Woo! We made it! Bam! Smokes are rolling. Close the lid. We're going to set the temperature to 140 degrees Celsius. And we're going to let it smoke. You see that the bacon is starting to shine, which means it has rendered down and it's definitely picked up a little bit of smoke. You can clearly see it from the mahogany and the brown color. This is gonna taste amazing. Are you ready? Time to take it off the barbecue. I got 2 pizza peels because I think I'm gonna need it. Let's give this a try. This is the scary bit. If we screw this up, we gotta make another one. It's the anniversary of the bacon bomb. Here we come. Here we come, here we come, here we come. Woo! Look at our bacon bomb.
I'm not that hungry.
You're not that hungry? What do you mean? When you come to the show, you're hungry and you're ready to eat. At least 2 kilograms a person. Okay, not 2 kilograms. We'll figure it out, Marcin. We talked about the name of this. We call it a bacon bomb, but if you look at it, it's like a giant anaconda snake. We could call it the bacon snake. I want to know what you guys think. Should we do the bacon snake? And if so, how long do we need to make this thing? Let me know, comment down below. Now it's time to slice into this beauty. I hope our Port Salut cheese has melted. Wow, look at it. The cheese is oozing out. Look at it go. It's crazy and look how juicy that is. This is insane. We got a beautiful smoke ring. That's not raw, that's the smoke ring on the outside. We got the juices, wow, this is a good anniversary bacon bomb, aka the bacon snake. Look at the cheese go, look at it melt. Whoa, that's just crazy. I'm super excited about the result that we got here. This is a good anniversary bacon bomb. I was thinking of doing like some kind of sauce on top, but when I saw the smoke on top of that bacon and the shiny bits, I didn't want to ruin it. I didn't want to cover it. I'm so glad I didn't. Look at how good it looks. Our Port Salut is so oozy and cheesy. Look at it. With all that goodness on top. Of course, we need to try. Oh, wow. This is good stuff. Let's take a slice out of this bacon bomb. Best bacon bomb I've ever made so far. It looks so good and so juicy at the same time. I asked Marcin to test this with me because you're a cheese freak.
And a bacon freak.
I'm gonna give you a slice. I'm gonna take a slice. And on the count of 3, we're going to take a bite.
It looks beautiful.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
We got the cheese on the inside and we got the rub on the outside of the cheese, then the juicy meat.
Okay, one question. Are you going for a bite with cheese?
Yes.
In the first bite?
I'm going to go for everything in the first bite. So from the top.
Anaconda style.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
It's good, right? The Port Salut really makes a good bacon bomb.
Yeah. It's like the present in the middle of it.
It's like when you have these little caramel chocolate bonbons.
You know what I like? That the barbecue rub, it got into the cheese. It got all around the cheese.
It's got like a crust on the cheese.
Yeah, and from itself, this cheese doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's really neutral, and now it has. It's a completely new sort of cheese.
Yes.
I love it.
It's perfect.
Cheese, 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 bacon, bacon, bacon.
The flavor is king all the time. So if you make a bacon bomb, don't worry about the size, worry about the flavors. And I can tell you, with Port Salut on the inside, a little bit of barbecue rub, and then minced meat and bacon with no barbecue sauce, it's the best way to go.
Sure is.
You want to finish this off so I can eat my...
Oh, I have to finish that.
Yeah, do my job.
So, first of all, I'm not going to thank the Patreons yet and the YouTube members, because first of all, I want to thank Martha.
Martha.
Martha, and the people who know, they know.
They know.
So I want to thank all the Patreons, all the YouTube members. You guys support us in every way. You make this possible. I want to thank all the people on Discord. What's left to thank?
Everybody. Thanks to everybody. Thank you for watching. Leave us a big thumbs up in the comment down below. We're gonna finish this. Until then,
eet smakelijk.
and keep on
Grilling.
That's right.
So one more? Or
One-
two more?
2 more. No, yeah. The kids are gonna love this.
Better not tell.
Lights out.